Why is gold cheap in Dubai? The answer coming up. Look, if you're interested in buying precious metals abroad, it's possible you notice that it's cheaper to buy them elsewhere compared to your home country. And if you're traveling to the UAE, you may have one of the following questions. Is gold expensive in Dubai? Where to buy gold there? Why is Dubai gold rate so low? And that's exactly what we'll talk about today.
A quick note for independent investors. If you've been investing in the stock market, you know that high-quality information is everything. That's why we've partnered up with Nicoya Research, one of the fastest-growing newsletters that specializes in precious metal stocks, dividend investments, technology stocks, and cryptocurrencies. Its founder, Jason Hamlin, is a market research professional with over 15 years of experience in brand management, analytics, and business consulting for Fortune 500 companies. And since 2009, he consistently outperformed the market with an average annual return of 50.2%. If you want to get access to the best financial research available, then sign up today and use the code GSC20 to receive 20% off any subscription plan you choose. Check the link in the description box below for further details. Now, back to the topic at hand.
The gold souk and Dubai's gold trade. You know how Dubai is all glitz and glam today, right? Well, it hasn't always been like this. Back in the day, like the early 1900s, it was basically a chill fishing village with a side gig in pearl diving. Then the pearl business went downhill, and Dubai's leaders thought, let's spice things up, turn it into this massive trading hub. And that's when things started getting really interesting. Now, the gold souk wasn't always this crazy wonderland. It started small, like your regular marketplace, but for this shiny metal. But when word got around, traders from the Middle East, India, and all over started popping by, and voila, the gold souk became the it place for all things gold. And as Dubai turned into a mega tourist and business hub, the gold souk just got bigger and better. People from all walks of life around the globe started visiting just to marvel at all the shiny stuff. But let's talk about what really sets the gold souk apart. It's like a precious metal lover's dream come true. You can wander through a maze of shops all showcasing a wide range of gold stuff. Traditional, modern, extravagant, simple, you name it, they got it. Here you might ask, is Dubai gold good quality? Yes, it is actually top-tier quality. The UAE government has strict regulations, making sure it's as pure as it gets. But then why is gold cheaper in Dubai? Taxation and import duties. This is the reason why gold in Dubai is such a sweet deal. The real deal maker here is that there's no tax on precious metals. The price you see is the price you pay, no surprises waiting to jump on your bill at the last minute. It's like a tax-free haven for gold buyers, so this market started buzzing with sales going through the roof. Now let's take a peek at other countries. Many of them slap a hefty import duty and taxes on everything you buy, and the rates? Oh, they vary a lot. Sometimes a few percentage points, sometimes way more. Some countries go as far as charging a whopping 10% or more as import duty on gold. So in that scenario, what is the end price for the buyer? Yeah, it's going to be a lot more than what you'd pay at Dubai's gold souk or other places. Without a doubt, Dubai's tax-free policy plays a huge role in keeping gold prices low. With no extra taxes and duties to worry about, selling this yellow metal becomes cheaper for businesses in Dubai. So they can afford to slash their prices, attracting precious metal buyers from all over. Needless to say that tourists and investors love it. Imagine shopping for gold in Dubai and taking home a tax-free investment. Especially if you're buying big, it makes a massive difference in your overall cost. And you know what else? This tax-free approach keeps the gold market in Dubai clean and transparent. It keeps any shady black market deals at bay, so when you're buying gold in Dubai, you can be comfortable you're getting the real deal. Competitive market and high demand. So the gold souk in Dubai is not just a marketplace, it's an ecosystem of sorts too. You've got hundreds of shops and traders elbowing each other for customers' attention. This kind of competition keeps the gold prices in Dubai down low compared to other places. This country also has a massive tourism scene attracting millions of yearly visitors, and a lot of these visitors are there for the gold souk. Combine this with the city's large, wealthy expat population who heavily invest in real estate, cryptocurrency, and precious metals. With such high demand, gold traders always have customers at their doorsteps, keeping the market prices competitive. And here's another thing. Many of the tourists come from countries where gold is way more expensive. This also helps to keep the demand high and the prices low. This whole demand and affordability thing in Dubai's gold market, it's like this perfect circle that keeps the market humming. Affordable prices attract more customers, which amps up the demand. And this high demand then keeps the sellers on their toes, making sure they keep their prices attractive. But it's important to remember that gold in Dubai's market isn't in a bubble. It does get influenced by global market trends and the international economy. While the competition can help buffer these impacts, it's not totally invincible to these shifts. But at the end of the day, the gold souk still holds its spot as a top destination for your favorite yellow precious metal shopping. Strong currency and economic factors. The United Arab Emirates dirham is another reason that keeps gold affordable in Dubai. The UAE is a solid economy and the dirham echoes that stability. Being a stable and strong currency, the dirham doesn't go through wild rides of ups and downs like some other currencies. And that's great for gold traders since they don't have to stress about sudden drops of value while doing international deals. Plus, a strong dirham is like a magnet for international buyers and investors who want a reliable currency for their purchases. This confidence in the currency makes Dubai an even more appealing place for precious metal trading. Now, the strength of it has a lot to do with how commodities like gold are priced. Since it is usually traded in US dollars globally, a strong local currency can mean lower prices when you convert the dollar. So when the local currency is mighty against the US dollar, gold prices can seem relatively cheaper for international buyers. And that's exactly what's going on in Dubai. The stable dirham lets gold prices stay competitive, especially when compared to countries with weaker currencies. But it's not all about that. There are other economic factors involved too. The UAE's appealing economic environment and friendly investor policies have attracted loads of foreign investment. This growth and development keep the city prosperous and financially stable. Now, during uncertain economic or geopolitical tensions, people often flock to gold as a safety net. So the demand for it increases then, which can shake up gold prices worldwide, including in Dubai. But even with these fluctuations, the UAE's economy stands strong. All in all, the country's ability to keep the precious metal prices affordable shows its solid economic base and its standing as a dependable gold trading center. Low labor and production costs. This is another reason why it is cheap to buy gold in Dubai. This UAE isn't a big producer, but it's like the middleman for precious metals coming from various regions. The thing is that Dubai's got the strategic spot smack in the middle of major trade routes, which lets it source gold efficiently from neighboring countries. In those countries, labor is often cheaper, and this advantage gets passed on to customers through lower prices for gold items. Now, places like South Africa, China, and Australia are big on the production of this yellow metal, but the thing is their labor costs and other mining expenses can be pretty high. So compared to these countries, the UAE is in a sweet spot in the gold supply chain. It can offer attractive prices without shouldering huge production expenses. Mix that with the city's tax-free status and a market driven by high demand, and you've got a winning combo that makes Dubai a hotspot for gold shoppers. And let's not forget about this slick logistics and top-notch infrastructure. They help cut down on transportation and operational costs, which is another plus for keeping precious metal prices affordable. But remember, just because the prices are affordable, it doesn't mean they skimp on quality or authenticity. The UAE is strict about ensuring the traded gold is genuine and pure, so you can buy with confidence knowing you're getting the real deal. Buying gold in Dubai, worth it? Yes, without a doubt it's worth buying gold in this city. There's a reason why it's a popular place for expats and investors. We've seen the story of the gold souk from its roots to its role in the big picture of the global trade. Dubai's got some pretty sweet strategic perks that make gold even more affordable. One big one is that there are no taxes or import duties, plus the government is all in when it comes to supporting the gold market. All this creates a super attractive market that brings in buyers from all over. Sure, the price of this precious metal can be affected by ups and downs in the global market, but the city's resilience and the solid basics of its market mean that it continues to be a top spot. The real charm for gold shoppers isn't just in the prices, though. It's also about the amazing variety, quality, and value. So whether you're an experienced investor looking for a safe bet or just someone who appreciates beautiful jewelry, you'll find something in Dubai's gold souk that'll catch your eye. The city's not just about the glitz and the glamour. There's a world of luxury and elegance waiting for you where the sparkle of affordable gold shines bright. Now over to you. Is gold cheaper in Dubai compared to your own home country? And are you considering shopping there the next time you travel to the UAE? Share your thoughts in the comments below while we wait for you at the next video. Thank you for watching.